Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is Super General brand front loader washing machine 7 kg. It is model wise SGW 74501 NV. That machine having actually you can see here it is brand Super General. It is inverter system also, not the normal inverter motor. This machine having problem actually it's suddenly while we are selecting any option at the same time it's showing E33, that's mean E33 error message. Now I'm going to repair this machine and we will go to the checking process and I will show you how to repair this one. Now I already given power connection. Now I'm selecting here only the direct spin cycle. I will start the machine. It is showing you can see it is through the display showing 12 minutes and I will start the machine. Before start the machine is showing E33. That means you can see at the same time machine not functioning. That means its drain pump already getting start itself. Now I have to repair. This is actually according to the our field technician, they knows it is related with the pressure sensor. Now we have to check the pressure sensor continuity, pressure sensor, also air guider hose, air guider tube. Otherwise we have to check properly. Also we have to check pressure sensor connector. It may be some oxide or something. Now first of all we have to remove the top cover and we will go to the next step. Connect the power first. After that I will remove the top cover here. Then we can take it out. Now this is the connector, pressure sensor connector. Now I will remove this one. We have to press this one and we have to take it out. Actually now it's already came. But here it is look like no any oxide. That connector already clean, no any problem. Because the problem while selecting at the same time it's showing mean is problem, definitely problem with the pressure sensor. Also we have to check the harness, it came out or not, but it is look like no any problem. You can see here the harness assembled, everything is okay. Now what we can do, we will replace another one first. After turning like this we can take it out. Also I remove already the connector here. Now I am going to replace the new one and we will check. You can see, dear friends, this one it is same actually, no any problem. We can fix this one. This one you can see old one DC 5 volt only. Also this one also DC 5 volt 10 milliampere. We can replace this one also. This is the new one. Now I can fix here first and we will check if it is whether working or not. After that we can give the water connection, everything, and I will fix like that. This is old one, this is new one, and I'm keeping, and I will give the power connection again. When you already given power connection, again I will select here 12, that's mean direct spin cycle I'm selecting again. Before it's not working direct spin cycle even. Door already locked. Also drain pump working. Yes, dear, machine start already. This is the problem. That's mean actually if it is error message occurring E33 with the super general washing machine, you have to change the pressure sensor. Otherwise, if it is any oxide or something, you can clear, you can clean and fix again, refix again before changing what you call that pressure sensor. After that, you can resolve the issue. This machine actually, this one, it is no any oxide, nothing. Because of that, I know this problem with the pressure sensor. Because of that, I replaced the pressure sensor. Now machine is running. Now I have to fix as same before. I have to remove the from the old pressure, from the old one air guided tube. After that, we will check with the water and we will go to the next step. Now I have to fix again as same. Now this way we have to keep here and turn it. It will come like that. Again double check. Now I already fixed pressure sensor again as same before. Also I select again spin cycle. This door already locked. Yes, machine start to run again. Now it's not occurring same error message. Now if the same super general washing machine, the model SGW74501NV, if it is occurring the same issue, you have to direct, you can replace the pressure sensor. Otherwise you have to check the connection, everything. After that you can resolve your problem immediately. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.